Be 2 weeks ready. First Aid Plan, Activity 25. Follow along on Toolkit, page 83.
Activity 25. Build your first aid kits. The goal is to organize your supplies so they're ready when you need them. Start by inventorying your medicine cabinet and first aid supplies. Look for and properly dispose of any outdated or expired medications. Don't flush medications down the toilet or drain. The Oregon Health Authority provides proper disposal instructions, including the location of permanent collection boxes across the state. Home first aid kit. Use the following checklist to complete your in-home first aid kit. Customize your kit for any medical needs of you and your loved ones. For example, EpiPens, medications, or other medical supplies. 10% household bleach to disinfect. 4-inch sterile gauze pads, several. 4-inch gauze pads for bandaging large cuts. ACE bandage, 4+. Adhesive tape, 2 rolls or more. Anti-inflammatory pain reliever, also known as ibuprofen. Antiseptic hand cleaning towels. Assorted sized sterile adhesive bandages, like Band-Aids for small cuts, 10 to 12 assorted or more. Biohazard bags, 3 to 5 gallon size. Cold compresses. Eyedropper. Laxative and anti-diarrhea medication. Nitrile medical exam gloves, 6 pairs or more. Pain reliever, like acetaminophen. Polysporin or other antiseptic gel. Roller bandage, 2 inches wide, 2 or more. Scissors, a good pair of medical scissors, also called trauma shears. Space, or emergency blanket. Superglue. Surgical lubricant. Thermometer. Triangular bandages, 4 or more. Tweezers. First aid kits for a vehicle and go bag. For a smaller go bag that fits in a vehicle, use this checklist to make sure you have the essentials. Alcohol wipes. Cotton tip applicators. Antibiotic ointment, instant cold compress, bandages, adhesive and elastic, butterfly closures, finger splints, gauze pads, gloves, adhesive tape, scissors, tweezers.